We all have a story. Who are you, and what do you stand for? Every day we make choices. Some are easy, some are hard. Our friends and family help shape who we become. Sometimes life feels full of challenges, but every challenge is a chance to grow. Faith and dreams can go hand in hand. Your voice matters. You belong. Together, we can make a difference. The world is changing fast. Stay true to yourself. Good friends lift you up and help you make good choices. Every choice shapes your future. It's okay to feel pressure. You are not alone. Be brave. Share your hopes and fears. Don't believe every rumor. Find the truth for yourself. Your actions can help your whole community. The future is open. You can write your own story. This is your moment. Make it count. Gen Z is strong, connected, and ready for what's next. Every heartbeat, every hope is part of your journey. You are unstoppable. Keep moving forward. Stay with us. There's more to learn and share. The future starts now. Stay true. Stay hopeful. Stay you. Tonight, Gen Z Muslims face tough choices. At parties and gatherings, the pressure to fit in is real. Sometimes it feels like everyone is having fun, but not every choice is safe. Friends might say, it's just for fun. But one wrong choice can change everything. The future depends on the decisions you make today. Social media makes it harder. Challenges and stories online push everyone to go further. Behind the screens, families worry. They want to help their loved ones make good choices. It's not just about what you do at a party. It's about who you are and what matters to you. In schools, young Muslims are speaking up and standing by their values. Community leaders are creating safe spaces to talk and support each other. You don't have to face these challenges alone. Real strength is asking for help and helping others. Across the country, Gen Z Muslims are showing what it means to stay true to themselves and their faith. The challenge is real, but so is the hope. Every day, young people show courage and resilience. Stay tuned as we follow this story, because your choices are writing the future. Remember, clarity is power, and your choices matter. This has been your story. Good night and stay strong. Many young Muslims are searching for ways to escape stress, but not all choices are healthy. Tonight, we look at what these decisions really mean. At parties or online, some choices may seem fun, but they can have lasting effects on your mind and body. Experts explain that unhealthy escapes can damage trust, focus, and relationships. These habits can be hard to break. Even small choices can lead to bigger problems over time. It's important to think ahead. Unhealthy habits can affect school, work, and faith. They can make it harder to reach your goals. Social media can make risky choices look normal, but regret and anxiety often follow. When your mind is clouded, it's easier to make more mistakes. Clear thinking helps you make better decisions. Problems like money issues or arguments with friends and family can start with one unhealthy choice. The effects can be seen at home. Trust is lost and hope can fade. But support is always possible. Community leaders encourage everyone to make healthy choices and ask for help when needed. Values like honesty and responsibility protect families. Holding on to them keeps relationships strong. Stress and anxiety are rising, but you can take steps to protect your mental health. Staying up late and feeling pressure is common, but healthy routines can help you feel better. When you look in the mirror, remember, your choices shape your identity and your future. Substances like pills or vapes don't solve problems. Real solutions come from support and healthy choices. If something clouds your mind, it clouds your future. Choose clarity and make positive decisions. The truth is clear. You have the power to make healthy choices every day. There is always hope. Support is available, and you can break the cycle by reaching out. Your story is still being written. Stay strong, stay clear, and choose what's best for you. Tonight, we celebrate a new generation of Muslim youth, courageous, caring, and determined to make a difference. Across the country, young men and women are lifting each other up, facing challenges together, and building a brighter tomorrow. These young leaders are choosing kindness and action over judgment. On campuses and online, they're creating safe spaces where everyone feels welcome and supported. Support is growing. More groups, mentors, and resources are available than ever before. For Gen Z Muslims, reaching out for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Honest conversations are happening in homes and online. The message is simple: you are never alone, and it's okay to ask for help. Young people are stepping up as role models, sharing their stories and inspiring others to find hope and clarity. More are reaching out, online, in mosques, and with family. Every conversation brings us closer together. Experts agree, healing starts with honesty and connection. Gen Z Muslims are showing that faith and mental health can go hand in hand. Social media is spreading hope and real stories of recovery, letting everyone know that brighter days are ahead. Friendship and faith are powerful. Together, they help young people reclaim their futures and support one another. Every step forward is a victory. The journey is real, and the future is full of hope. For Gen Z Muslims, clarity is more than a dream. It's a movement that's happening right now. Families are coming together, supporting each other, and celebrating every milestone along the way. This is your headline. The journey to clarity is underway, and you are part of the story. Stay tuned. The future is in your hands. Reporting for Gen Z, this is your moment. Make it count. For more on this story, follow the journey, because hope is trending. This is your story. The next chapter is yours to write. Need guidance or support? Visit yaqeenonline.com today. Get real answers, expert advice, and a welcoming community, all in one place. Take the first step. Go to yaqeenonline.com now.